Hi, I'm Beck from Australian Jewel Supplies, AJS, and this is Town Talk's Exquisite Jewel Sparkle. It's a quick and easy to use cleaner, and it's ideal for cleaning platinum, gold and diamond jewellery and most precious stones. It's 225 mils, and inside the pack is this tub. In the tub houses the solution. You put your jewels into the handy basket and leave for 2 minutes. Remove any embedded dirt inside your jewels with the brush that's supplied. Remove your items once the 2 minutes is up. Place under running water and then use the Town Talks microfiber polishing cloth and to get that ultimate sparkle out of your gems. This really is easy to use. It brings out the shine and sparkle of your gems and replace the liquid when it becomes cloudy.